Salamat sa akong mga anak nga. Tagaan kong surprisa ini. Thank you do kayo yung mga anak mo. Salamat kayo.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, nanay. Happy birthday, nanay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, nanay. Happy birthday, nanay. Happy birthday, ma. Hope more blessings and birthdays to come. Stay healthy always. Come on, Papa. I love you. Kiss.
Your cake for every smile you've helped create.
Happy birthday.
To grow a little more.
Happy birthday, nanay. Take care.
A little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way it takes.
Happy birthday. Manghinaot ko nga happy ka karon sa imong birthday. Pagpasensya na nga wala mi din ha. Kaya saan tamaron ang panahon. Banding ratapukon o keep healthy mo always. Kamo ni Papa. Love kayo mo na mo. Happy birthday.
Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad.
such a joy in my
Happy
life.
birthday.
May the good Lord bless
Happy
you
birthday
in all
to
your dreams.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nana Linda.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Wish you the best. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Think kanunay. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hearing such a lovely tune in a world that's so imperfect. Every word you say is music. You should change your day to beautiful.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. Kamong iyang po sa Ginoma nga hatagan pa kami nga daghan katuigan ug maayong panglawas pirmi kamong duha ni Papa. Ug salamat sa tanan nga sakripisyo labi na katong gagmay pa mi. You're the best, Mama. Mingaw na kay minimo. I hope nga magkita-kita nga pud dapuhon nga wala na ning COVID. We love you always. Amping taon mo diha permi ni Papa. And I hope nga happy ka ning among gamay nga surprisa. Love you always. Happy birthday again.
Love
don't think you mind it if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to